Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, the 2024 Mercedes Benz AMG CLE-53 Coupe. Mercedes has just revealed the new CLE Coupe that replaces the C-Class and E-Class Coupe, and although these photos are of European model, expect the US version to remain the same when it arrives next year. The AMG retains its turbocharged 3-liter inline 6-cylinder from the standard CLE-450, but here gets increased power. The CLE-53 Coupe will split the difference in power between the 402 horsepower C43 and the 677 horsepower C63 Monster. Here, the 53 is good for 443 horsepower from its turbo inline 6 and uses a 48-volt hybrid system. According to Mercedes, this powertrain is good for a 4-second run to 60 with a top speed of 155 miles an hour. There are specific tweaks made to this engine, and according to AMG, the combustion chamber has been ported for optimal fuel delivery with redesigned inlet and outlet channels along with upgraded piston rings and a redesigned turbo. The turbo works alongside the electric auxiliary compressor to increase boost up to 22 psi, along with an overboost feature for up to 12 seconds. The Mercedes 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, which is rear biased, can be decoupled from the front axle when needed, and is mated to Mercedes' 9-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel steering is also standard along with 19-inch wheels, or you can opt for 20-inch. No major visual changes out back, but you do still get a wider track for that muscle car look. There is an optional AMG Performance Studio package that adds trims to the front and rear, as well as a spoiler and rear diffuser. Up front, the changes are a little bit more noticeable. A more aggressive hood with AMG-style front bumper and grille. Front fenders are 2.3 inches wider, and those rear fenders are 3 inches wider than the standard coupe. On the inside, it's familiar affair 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, along with an 11.9-inch center touchscreen. Seats are treated with an MB text along with microfiber upholstery as standard, or upgrade to Napa leather with AMG embossed in the front seats. There is also a performance seat package from AMG which swaps out the standard buckets for ones with much more bolstering. Flat bottom steering wheel replaces the regular and is wrapped in Napa leather with aluminum paddle shifters. No pricing or when it will be available, but here we can expect prices to be around $83 starting before options. Overall, absolutely gorgeous and menacing. The coupe version with these wheels looks absolutely stunning. And I'm so happy to see that not everything from Mercedes has gone 4-cylinder. At a time of EVs taking over, this is truly a breath of fresh air that Mercedes is still offering at least a boosted 6-cylinder. We're still missing, however, the V8. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and leave me a comment on what you think of the 53 Coupe. As always, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you